Welcome to an overview of MPLAB Discover. Often when developing a new application, it is useful to find an example as close as possible to the application you're planning to develop, to use as a starting point. If I'm interested in motor control, here I can easily explore the subcategories that Microchip supports to find AC induction motors, brushless DC, or permanent magnet synchronous motor control examples. As I find projects of interest, I can add them to my list. If you are used to developing with either MCC or Harmony, you can easily filter on MHC, the Microchip Harmony configurator. Here we see that there are 1700 plus Harmony examples, or MCC, the Microchip code configurator, where we see there are about 150 examples. The free text search can help you find something specific. For example, you may have heard that some of the new AVR and PIC microcontrollers now have op-amps as peripherals. A quick search of this term finds several related examples. Once you have found an example of interest, you have a few options. You can add this to your list. You can download it directly to use in MPLAB X IDE or Microchip Studio. You can open it in GitHub, or you can open it directly in MPLAB Express, Microchip's new cloud-based IDE. So good luck discovering Microchip tested example applications to use as a starting point for your development. In the next video, we'll show you the various options of opening these projects.